Next one is sensory perception. So sensory perceptions are carried by sense organs. What are the different sense organs? Yeah, skin, eyes, ears, nose and tongue. So these sense organs have sensory receptors. What are the sensory receptors present on skin? They are known as mechanoreceptors. Eyes have photoreceptors, ears have phono or auditory receptors, nose have olfactory receptors, tongue have chemo or gustatory receptors. Please write. These receptors, These receptors perceive the stimulus from the surrounding or from the environment or surroundings and conducts to nervous system, which triggers appropriate response, reflex or behavior. See, in skin several aspects are there. First one is skin elasticity, then skin hair on skin, melanocytes, subcutaneous fat. Skin color is polygenic trait because more than one, isn't it? So you have to write them. Skin loses its elasticity and wrinkles on the skin develop in old age. Hair on skin is more in people living in cold climatic conditions. In hot climatic conditions, less hair on skin. Melanocytes which are present on skin are responsible for production of melanin. The rate of production of melanin varies in response to exposure to sunlight. More exposure to sunlight, more melanin. Skin color is dark. Example, negroids. Less secretion of melanin because of less exposure to sunlight, Caucasoid. And skin color is a polygenic trait. As age increases, sensory perceptions decreases. These sensory perceptions stronger and sharper in female than in male. Stronger and sharper in female than male.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijeta IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijeta IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.